Hi, QSI Benin Lions. I hope by this point in time you are navigating the new Moodle page. And if you still are having trouble with your login information, I would encourage you to contact me so that I can help you get set up with our new Moodle page. I'm presenting to you today on an issue that was brought forth to us, and it has to do with how to submit assignments to the Moodle page, especially for our students who are working from home. So I want to talk to you today about 3 different ways. In fact, I'm making the video because I'll show you one of the ways that you can get the work to us if you're, again, working from home. So the first way is the easy way. You can attach it to an email and send it to the teacher. So if that's one way that's easiest for you, it's perfectly acceptable for us. It would help if in the subject line of the email you put the name of the assignment or the week that the work or assignment is coming from. So that's one way. You can email it to the teacher. Another way that you can get us the work, you could just bring it with you. So if you plan on being back at school in October or November, you can have your students do the work at home and collect it and then put it together and bring it to the teacher, and the teacher will grade it that way at a later date. You'll get delayed feedback that way, but it is acceptable for us. We'll take the work that way. And then the final way involves the Moodle page. One of the things that we did with the new Moodle platform is we're trying to protect the server. We overloaded it last year. So one thing that you'll notice is the largest file that you can upload is, I think, 2 megabytes. So in order to bypass that, I'm going to show you a way today that you can still get us the work and send it into the Moodle page so that it's recorded there. So let me take you to the page. I logged in, or I'm going to log in to my son's class, Mr. K's class. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Mr. K's Moodle page, and we'll go to one of the assignments that he created so that I can show you how you can send the work in to that assignment. So here we go. The class page is open. So go to your teacher's class page. And if you scroll down, here's an assignment right here. So let's say I was going to upload my review for this assignment. I would go ahead and click on the assignment. And of course, then we get to the section which everyone's familiar with, add submission. But then this is the more challenging part because, again, the maximum file size is listed here. So it would be difficult for you to upload pictures or heavy PDF files. So this is what I would like to show you or propose to you. You can upload your students' work into your Gmail, and then from Gmail, you could share the link with us. So I just happened to go to one of my files in Gmail, and I'm going to copy the link of that file. So I copied the link, and then I'm going to create just kind of like a new Word doc, and I'm going to save that Word doc to my desktop. And now that I have that new Word doc, I'm going to go back to the Moodle page. Oh, there it is. Okay. And I'm going to pick up that document. You can see I have many tabs open. I'm going to pick up that document from my desktop now, which is a simple Word doc with a link to the work in the Google Drive, and I'm going to click Save Changes. So now in doing this, what will happen is the teacher will get notification that you did upload something there to the page, and it will be a file that is not so large and will be accepted by our Moodle page. And it'll help us kind of save some space, so to speak, so that we don't overload the um, Moodle page this year. Okay, so thanks for watching. Again, three different ways you can get the work to us. You could simply email it to us. You can save the work and bring it with you, or you can take the few short steps that it will take you to upload it to your Gmail, or even if you have Outlook, you can upload it to a OneDrive and then just share the link with the teacher on the assignment tab. So I hope that was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. I will continue to make videos like this just to make the navigation of the Moodle platform smoother for you, our families. Bye.